Welcome back. Hello, everybody. Welcome. Let's start the show. All right, so the long position that I was in obviously hit the stop loss since the London session. And we swept the lows here. And now it seems like we're slowly getting up there. So let's just see how it goes. All right, seems like swept this 860. I think this was the Asia low, in my opinion. This 860 level, and now could be slowly going higher. Okay. $9:30 open is pretty close here. I would say we have a good chance to go for those highs somewhere about, well, above 19,100. And we have relative equal highs up there at previous day highs, so let's just stay focused here. And let's see what's going on. Checking the 1 hour too. Yeah, I would say we definitely have a good chance to go higher. Green, hello, welcome back. Good to see you. So, yeah, I'd like to see this go, especially if you look on the ES. You will see that we still have a gap here on the 1 hour chart. 55.64-ish area. I'm gonna have an alert here just to make sure that we're not missing anything. So if ES is gonna cross higher, we should know. London session was good, but I had a stop loss, unfortunately. I entered the long position somewhere here, but unfortunately I got taken out a few hours later here, actually here. So slow grind, but we took out the low. I still think we have a good chance to go higher. All right. We have some highs here. This is quite an interesting zone. I would expect high resistance here. But I guess we'll see. Anyway, that's what I think we could go for on the upside. Oh man. Gotta stay focused here. 15 minutes. I'm gonna get some tea. I'll be right back. All right. Let's see. All right, 13 minutes still. It's just a slow grind. I think we have to stick with like higher time frames, like 15 minute, 5 minute now. That's the only thing we can do, I guess. Especially if we want to go along here. Yeah. One single micro should do it in this case. Okay, the low is... There's an inversion gap. If this one still wants to go higher... well... 70 points. I gotta be careful. Hey Naomi, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so nothing is happening. I'm watching the 5-minute chart because the 1 minute is kind of goofy. I mean, mostly like ranging, noise, and all that such. The only thing I see is this 5-minute gap on the on this 5-minute chart. 5-minute gap on the 5-minute chart, and then there's another one down here, which almost like an inversion gap. The drawn liquidity, I think, is still up there. I'm just looking for a possible entry. That's it. So Just a waiting game. 7 more minutes. Apex is back to 80%, by the way. Just saying. Apex is back to 80%. Bulenox is... oh, man. Bulenox is back to 83%. Oh god, Bulenox is back to 83% on option 1 accounts, it seems like. Interesting. Let me change this. Yeah. Yeah, we need 91. Well, I'm not sure when that's gonna happen, but at least they're back to 83. They're back to 83. I have to change it on Streamlabs. Mm. 83% off in option 1 and percent off option 2 accounts. Okay, nice. I had to change this. 5 minutes still to go. All right. Nothing is happening right now. Absolutely nothing. Nothing so far. Okay. Wow. Okay. Just as I said this, NQ popping higher. NQ is popping higher. Seems to be a data delay right now at the open here. Careful with the spread and everything. Pip Hunter, hello. What's going on? Okay. 1 minute and 10 seconds. I really wanted to see this go lower and reprice that gap, but it's not doing it. This is not a bullish breaker on the 15 minute, but it is on the, well, almost. On the 5. Anyway, 25 seconds to go. Yeah, $130 right now. I think the monthly payment is still there for $85. I think it still exists, so you can still go with that. All right, here we go. The market is open. The market is open for business. 36 there. I might put a limit order at 36. Who knows? Not sure. Maybe 47. $47.75. I guess it can go for it. All right, popping higher. Careful here. And it's going. Pushing it. I'm watching the 1 minute chart too, but there is nothing special happening right now. Feel like it wants to go for those highs up there at 100. But there is just no entry point right now. If I enter a trade, I'll definitely let you guys know. But it's popping higher. I think it might want to go for the 26. And I think it did, right? Yeah. All right. Going higher. Up to 100 for now. It seems like it. Next target, 39. So far, no gap. There she goes. Pop the high. All right. I have no entry. Still, nothing. Okay, there is a possible gap here. Okay, never mind. Nothing is there. Still no first fair value gap. I'll be curious for the close of this. 48. I guess we can go down. There is a delay right now on the Rhythmic servers. Okay, I'd love to get an entry on a better level to go along. $68 is the low. Limit order at 68.25. To go along. It's not going for it, not yet. Okay. Got totally rejected on that level. I still have my limit order at 68.25. And so far, no first fair value gap. Pretty much freezing down here. The micros. I have no position. Yeah, we are in the lower 50% of the new week opening gap. Yeah. I still think we should be going higher. I have a feeling that well, took a long position on a market entry order. I think this one wants to pop higher up to the 90s. It's a risk, I know, but I took it. And for now, I am deleting my limit orders, the ones I had. So I am in some buy positions. Actually, to be honest, 95.25. Yeah, 94.25 is my TP. I still don't have a stop. I should put a stop here, I know. I haven't decided yet. I think it's just gonna be somewhere there. Huge delay here. But we're going higher so far. The Rhythmic servers are having a delay. Yeah, it's going. Still holding the position. I'm copy trading this on 3 funded accounts. It does feel a little bit dangerous, I know. Because it can pull back a lot. That's the problem. Still going. Let's go. We need that 95 push. Because there's a fair value gap also from yesterday AM session. It has to go for it. The entry is definitely not the best, but I take it, you know. Anytime. Uh-oh, what is going on? Price is freezing down. All right. There's a huge delay on the data. Okay, didn't go there. Early profit taking. Currently I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11 active funded account. I mean, I don't know if I'm ready for 20 or 30. I still have to trade these in small groups. But yeah, currently 11. I'm looking to get here's my funded futures network evals. So far getting closer to get funded. I mean, they're just phase 2, but these two are looking closer. Today was very nasty. I was scalping off stream. I'm still hoping that the Bulenox accounts are gonna be okay, even if I take a few losses here and there, small ones. Should be alright. Escape the Matrix, hello, welcome. And of course I got the new Take Profit Trader funded account. I also have to work on that too. Yeah, lots of things. You want 10 as well? I mean, least estimator, trust me, 5 is okay. 5 is, I know I have 11, but I would be perfectly fine with 5, even 4. I would be actually absolutely less stressful, easy to manage, definitely. 5 accounts are, if you rotate them, you don't even have to copy trade them all the time. Maybe copy trade 2 of them. That is like super, that's an optimal number. 5 is an optimal. 6 maybe. I'm not even trading on all of these accounts that I have. Some of these accounts are way behind, so that's a good number. There you go. There you go. Yeah, these are my Bulenox accounts here. So I'm copy trading. This trade has been copy traded only on Bulenox master accounts with 1 micro, but only because these accounts are getting closer to payout, so I don't want to do stupid things. And I need to get some extra profit here. But, it's 1 micro. I could have gone with 2, I guess, but the entry was definitely not my entry here. So low risk. It's a low risk trade. If I lose this, I think I'm going to lose about 100 per account, which is okay. I'm fine with it. Should be popping now. It has to pop the 95 in my opinion. It just has to. There's no other way around it. There's a huge data delay. What is going on? There you go. Okay. Take profit hit. And the chart is still frozen. That's what you get when you have data delay. But anyway, we popped into the 95. Actually, my TP was at 94.75, I think. Okay. So the Bully accounts are up with these trades. $143 on a trade is good. 1 trade here. This one is up almost $2,700. And as we suspected, it's going into this 5 minutes CB. This other Bulenox account is also almost at $3,000, so I need to be careful here. And the other one is even closer. That's at $3,300. Getting up there slowly. You're gonna take me? No, I mean, hard to say. Hard to say. I think I'll try to go for the 1500. I mean, we'll see. I guess we'll see. It all depends because I still have this week and next week. So if I want to get a payout this month, and if I don't blow the accounts, obviously that's not the goal, I can still trade this week and I can trade next week. So if I request a payout until next Friday, I can still get it by the 30th of this month on Wednesday. That's going to be the last day. So that will still count as a payout for April. So business-wise, and I do look at trading as a business, business-wise, I think I still have time to trade. No stress, no rush, not in a hurry. Like, except this day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. I don't know if there's going to be a bank holiday, but I still have at least, let's say, 7 or 8 trading days to request a payout, at least 7. And even if I can just make on average $100 on these 7 trading days per day, or even if I just can make $500 on each account until next Thursday, then it's okay. So as I said, we'll see. It depends how I'm gonna do next week. I'm not planning to lose the account, obviously. If I'm gonna lose, I'm gonna lose, but it will depend how next week is gonna be. I think worst case scenario, I'll try to go for 1,000, of course, but I still have to push it a little bit. But hey, the other day I had like $300 on each account, so I guess we can still do it. Still going higher. $1% trading. Hello. Recouped your loss, made profits. Let's go. Ludofish saying 155. I agree. We can go. And by the way, previous day high would be the ultimate target for the AM session, maybe. Low probability target. I mean, if some of you guys have a runner, then I would have a runner, for example, maybe not previous day high, but I would take early profit at 32. The breaker was beautiful, 830. Oh, yeah. Down there. Yeah, this was a nice little breaker. The problem is, as I was eyeballing this, you know, but I was thinking like, can I enter on this one? But I guess I could, you know, after breaking structure at 832, I guess I could have entered, but, you know. Sorry, quick phone call. 5 minutes was cleaner. Yeah. Okay, still hovering in this gap here. What's it gonna be? Good turnaround. What if it wants to go lower? By the way, let's look for the first fair value gap, which actually happened right here. So the first presentation gap, which everybody loves because this is the new ICT hype, is this one. There's a market structure shift here. All right. Although there was a shift here, it's not too clear to me. I think we can go lower. Maybe even back to the first presentation gap, you know. The new hype. What if it wants to pop down to that area? I don't know what it want. I don't know. I really don't know what it wants to do here. I thought that it wants to go lower, but so far no sign of it. Maybe it wants to go higher. You have the new hour, that's for sure. Okay, going sideways. I don't know what's the deal here, but I have a feeling that we can still go for that previous day high. If it breaks higher with the displacement, that could be a possible entry. I don't know. Looking for the low here. 35.50. 35.25. It did actually go to the first presentation gap. And here, 35.75. Okay, the mini didn't go for it. I think it could be accumulating positions to pop higher here. We do have a 15-minute gap below 36. Just around the first presentation gap. Not sure how that's gonna work around, but or work out, but we'll see. All right, what's happening here? Are we going higher or what? I really need to know. Because if we do, then it would be awesome to target those highs. Let me look the 15-minute. Yeah. Would be great to see that. It wants to get through. It's 100 points if we get through here. All right. Still waiting. If it breaks the high here at 118, I just need a displacement. If not, then anything can happen. There's an order block, by the way, here. This one. This one here is a 50-minute order block neckline starting at the open of this candle, 183.25. Just saying. Oh, sorry. And now it seems like it might just want to go lower. Oh, man. It's crazy. Stuck in this range for sure. And boom, there she goes. Nice little break here. Almost feels like we're heading for that order block at 183. Ah. Oh man. Okay, it's not going up there. Then what is gonna happen? Quite a rejection. Not doing anything. On the 1 minute, there could be a possible short, but not sure. You know, going for the first fair value gap down there could be a possibility for it. What just happened here? What was this? The chart just froze. And I don't know what the hell happened. Anyway. Interesting. Melting down there. There's a 5-minute gap below. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Hmm. Didn't quite go lower. Okay, that's interesting. 200 points dropped. Some news came out, I guess. Back to this 5-minute gap. You got the quick drop? Nice. That's what I'm trying to search for. Did Trump say anything? Nothing on financial juice. Nothing special so far. China Customs Administration, nothing. Okay, nothing. Nothing so far. At least not here. Yeah. Look at this move. Wow. That was a nice squeeze for the long positions there. Nice squeeze. The uh-huh. Okay, this is absolutely crazy. Yeah, it's insane. Let's see if Financial Juice has something on it. Extreme fear. EU expects US tariffs to remain as discussions make little progress. Oh, little progress. Okay. So no real progress on the tariffs with EU. And this information just hit the market recently. This was it. So no good news on the tariffs so far. And this was a bit of a negative effect. Okay. That's interesting. All right. Okay, what is going on? Okay, trading view is acting weird. I feel like we're going previous day low. I mean, yeah, you could take it out. But, you know, don't forget that this was a news candle here. And so if this was because of the news and the big picture for the algorithm is to push it higher, you know, just keep that in mind. We could be shifting above 34. Move below previous day low. Just to get more liquidity. I mean, it could be possible, but by the way, if you look at this one closer, then you will see that right here, this area is a classic YouTube 2022 entry. Just saying. That one was a classic 2022 model. Here was the market structure shift, boom. We have the fair value gap displacement as well. And we have a clean target down here. So this was the perfect, I would say maybe not unicorn, but like almost perfect setup. You entered on a yes, nice. Yeah, wants to break higher. Is the 22 model time based? Not particularly time based. I would say, I mean, not time based. Obviously, you can find it in Asia session, any session. There is higher and lower probability sessions for which time you want to trade with it, but it's not time based. So by the way, we took liquidity from down there. We just broke higher. I would like to see this one. Maybe going higher. Oh man. What is going on? Are we gonna go lower? Okay, what is going on? Seemingly going lower again. Would this be the case now? That we go lower? Can we go higher? Who knows, right? Can we go higher here? Is this possible? Okay. Target would be the 15-minute order block. Up in the 180s, I think. Enter the long position. Let's see how this is gonna go. I'm looking for the order block up there. If we fail, we fail. I really do like to see this go up there. Oh no. Dude, what is happening? This was unexpected. Some kind of a news event again. Some sort of a news event hitting the market. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. Something about the new iPhones? I don't know what they're doing. It's absolutely mental at this point. Rhythmic just froze on my end. This is an Apex account. It just froze. My trade just got frozen. This is a Funded Futures network data feed. This is Take Profit Trader data. Unfortunately, I think it's gonna go down. Can't trade like this. Untradable. I might try to connect to a different server. Trying to connect to a different server. Yeah, random candles just popping out of nowhere. I really don't know what the hell is going on here. Okay, I got the Apex connection back. I have the Europe server right now. I really have no idea. Oh my god. Guys, read this email. We are pleased to inform you that your payout for Pro account has been approved in the amount of $2,000. Day traders, just approve my payout. Achievement certificate. Leave a review. I got a $2,000 payout approved from Day Traders. Let's go. $2,000, my first funded account from Day Traders. My first ever, you can see the number 01. My first ever funded account. Managed to pull out $2,000. Let's go. Let's go. Actually, the issue being solved, by the way. They have manually updated the verification, so it's been solved. The support was absolutely great, I must say. Anyway, approved. Just a second, I'll be right back, all right? All right. I don't know what to do with this position here, to be honest. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so I'm here. So I don't know. This market is definitely acting out weird, and we're approaching the 11 a.m. hour. I was thinking to cut it actually. So yeah, I don't know. But guys, I'm super happy about the day traders payout. I was actually very annoyed in the London session. I was very annoyed, and I'm super happy about this. I mean, it was hard. To be honest, it was hard for me. This was hard because, you know, consistency rule and minimum trading days above $200, and also consistent. I mean, you have to make profits in the above $200 in the eval phase, so it wasn't that simple. At least not for me. All right, we're back. All right, let's see. I still believe that we have a chance for that 15-minute order block up there. If you look at it up here, if you look at the candles here from yesterday, the candle at 9:15 is actually one tick higher, I think, than the opening candle, and so I think it's a good possible target. This, what happened here, this was basically news. So I would say the news event made the market crazy, but the main algorithm is driving price higher, I think, and that's why I'm holding this trade. That's why I'm still holding it. What is going on here? Although there is no guarantee we can still go down. This one can still reverse. I'm trying to convince myself there is nothing else to do down there because it picked up liquidity. I mean, there's really not much to do down there. So let's just go higher. It's not looking good right now. It's not looking that good. Anyway, All right. It's definitely an interesting zone here. All right. Oh, this is crazy. It's not. It's not okay. It might just want to sweep these levels here. All right, what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? Are we gonna go higher? Oh man, this price action, this is just absolute crazy. Come on, baby, let's go higher. Let's go higher. Sooner or later, it has to go somewhere, right? Hopefully to the upside. man. This is a difficult scenario. I mean, if I really think about it, this would be like 150 points move that I want to happen. Could last until PM session or even longer. Of course, I do know I have to close it, but you're done for the day. Yeah, too choppy. Thank you, Escape the Matrix, and hey, congratulations for your day. If you made profit, definitely. Thank you. Thank you. Hope to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be an exciting day. I might be having a friend on the stream, but that's a secret. So, hope to see you tomorrow. Oh, sorry. I was muted. So I still think that we can go higher, but I think I have some concerns about the level at 19,007 or oh 08. It can pick up some liquidity here, and that is something I'm not really sure I want to see. But so far, so good. It is definitely an interesting day for sure. Let's see what it does. Still targeting that order block. If we go there, that would be awesome. All right. Still hoping that it will go higher. Typical market. A little bit boring, a little bit sideways, and it's still not going the way I wanted it to go. All right. I'm not feeling so confident about this trade right now. I was expecting a little bit more strength on this to push higher. It's not happening. I don't know why. This is gonna be like, oh, dude. What's it doing now? Oh, man. I was expecting more. I was expecting more from NQ. This is not something I look into or onto. 70, 80, yeah. I might scalp it to the other side, you know, do a reversal. If it will drop heavily, maybe that's something I could do. This one is getting ready to dump here. Absolutely crazy. Crazy, crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It definitely feels heavy. I have to rethink the whole situation here. I need to rethink this whole situation. 1 hour, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. It wants to go lower. Wants to test below the 19,000. Not looking good. Feels heavy. I might close it with a small loss, maybe. Yeah, I'm closing it. Might just go down below 19,000, you know. Gotta be careful. Or maybe go higher. Almost went down and retested the 19,000 right down there. Might try again. The FOMO is real now. I thought that we are actually going down here, you know, to retest 19,000. And it didn't. It just didn't. Hey, motherfucker, how are you? Oh, which promise? I have so many promises to keep up with. Oh, man. I think this one might want to go higher. All right. All right, let's see. Oh, the bonus accounts. Oh, yeah, sure. The bonus accounts. Dude. The bonus account, I'll make it up somehow. Actually, I blown up all my bonus accounts this month already. But I'm gonna ask something from Take Profit Twitter if they can help me out somehow. I blown up all my bonus accounts. It was like no, not all, four of them. One got to pro, but that got blown up too in the pro. So all of them are blown up, and I can actually show you. But I'm gonna request something because I wanted to do a review about Take Profit Twitter. So they told me there might be a chance to do some video reviews, so I can get some account giveaways to you guys on the stream. And I'm waiting for that. So what is happening here? Are we going down? I feel like this one might want to go lower. This is, yeah, number 66, I think. Oh, you blew the Apex Funded. Oh, $50 away. This is a crazy range here. I don't know what the hell is going on. But this is absolutely a crazy range. There could be some orders, by the way, at 19,000 here. So gotta be ready for that. All right. I don't know what to do with this. Ranging. Yeah, it's just ranging like crazy. Absolutely crazy. What to do with this? I might well get some more funded accounts from Apex, maybe. Man, I was really hoping for that order block up there at 183. It's not going, so since we're approaching launch hour, I'm not gonna take more trades. So I think I'm gonna call it here. Overall, I mean, look at the 5-minute and look at this range. Oh my god, impossible to trade normally here. All right, thank you so much, guys. I think I'm calling it here. So, thank you, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for London session. And as always, if you could or would support the channel, please use my code TomSabo at these prop firms. Some good sales are going on now with Bulenox, Apex. Take Profit Traders still has the no fee promo, so check them out. Funded Futures Network, Day Traders, and all of the others. Thank you so much, everybody. This is it for me. I'm a little bit tired. See you, everybody, tomorrow. All right. God bless.